welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some hydroponic sponges. Okay, so this is how it comes packaged. This is how it comes packaged. Look in here. It comes with 50 different sponges. So I like to grow my plants hydroponically. So this works great for someone like me. They do sell a little basket that this actually goes in, and then some people will actually get like tubes and they'll put like kind of drill holes in it, and you could put it like soak it with water, put it in there to where it's touching water. You can maybe even put this in like leca and let it just absorb the water. Put your seed in there and just let it grow. So this is better. It's supposed to be better than growing your plants in soil. It says it balances your pH, faster rooting, strong moisturizing ability, bacteria free, and it has sufficient nutrients. So it, like I said, it does come with 50 different ones. I wish they would have sent me the little, they're almost like nursery pots, but they're like little skinny little plastic ones that you actually place this inside so that you can put it in water. So it does come with 50, and I'm going to go wet this and I'll show you how big they actually get. So you just put the seed, and then you can grow your vegetables or fruits, whatever you're wanting to grow hydroponically, which is awesome. It's the only way that I usually grow. The majority of my plants are hydroponic. So let me go ahead and wet this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, the hole is a lot bigger. So this is wet, this is dry. So the hole gets a lot bigger. As you can see, it's a sponge. So this is great for like if you don't want to get root rot or anything. This is really good for that. And then what happens is the roots will grow all through this, and then if you want to put it in leca, you can, or you can I guess you could just plant it in soil, but then they're going to be water roots, so you probably don't want to plant this. I mean, you could, because I know people do that all the time. But yes, so this is a really great way to grow stuff. Like maybe, like I have these little plants right here that I actually saved off the mother plant. So for something like this, it has these little water roots. I can actually stick this in here to where the roots won't dry out like that, and then just put it in water, and the roots will grow throughout this. And then I'll get a mother plant. If I want to, I could just stick it in there or in something bigger to where it doesn't tip over. As you can see, it'll get all the nutrients that it needs. This is actually a peperonium, a Begonian peperonium. So yeah, so that's a really good way to do it. As you can see, it has little water roots already, because I grow almost everything hydroponically. So I'm actually going to leave this in here and wet it, put a little bit more water up in there, and just let it sit right here. So I prefer to grow my my plants hydroponically because I am constantly going on vacations and stuff. And when you're growing your plants hydroponic, you can go up to 2 to 3 weeks without watering your plants. Not all my plants are hydroponic. I do have some soil plants, and those ones you just have to, I usually like just get like a piece of string and you put it inside a jar of water and then inside your plant, and it'll steal the nutrients that it needs out of that. So that is one way of doing it if you are on vacation and you still want to keep your plants alive. So I will probably be making a little system to where I can actually put these, because I do want to grow vegetables. I have some potatoes growing outside this year, so I do want to grow some vegetables and stuff. And when you do it hydroponic, I can do it in my house and grow whatever time of the year I want, because I do have grow lights and stuff like that. So yes, So if you are looking to go hydroponic, I would highly, highly recommend you getting these because this is a really good starter. You just need something to sit in it. You could, like I said, get leca, and leca is like these little balls, and just kind of put it in those. That way it could support it, and then put a little bit of water at the end, so it'll start getting water roots and you can go hydroponic. Leca's semi-hydroponic because it's not straight up water. This is straight up hydroponic, so it's not semi-hydroponic, although it seems like it would be because it is still in a substance. So I don't know how that's described. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.